all my friends out there. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, motivation, appreciation. I'm really blessed to have you all in my life. And I thank God for this opportunity, for sharing my gifts with you all. Love, such a beautiful feeling, my friends. We are bestowed with this beautiful emotion by Almighty, by the universe. We have so many people in our life whom we love, our family, our siblings, our friends, that special someone. This whole life is tied up with this feeling of love, and we move forward and we grow in this beautiful connection. But sometimes it happens that due to some misunderstandings, some shortcomings, some misjudgments, we tend to have conflicts with our loved ones, and the relationship, it just turns sour. We start calling names, we start abusing, we use the wrong languages, it turns so bad that we we reach this level that that person did that, he did that, she did that. But have you ever sat down and thought about it, that what was wrong on your end? Have you ever considered this thing, that something must be wrong with you too? Because fights don't happen with one person, there has to be two people involved. So this reading is just an insight to get the attributes which need to be corrected at your end. Just a small guidance of the attributes that needs to be understood on your level. This is not a time specific reading, my friends. This is a sign specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to my zodiac sign Aquarius. All the new viewers who have just now joined my channel, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Do not forget to press the bell icon, as to whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified. Alright, my Aquarians, you are too much overburdened. Why? What happened? Whenever you are in a relationship, you take things very personally. You take the relationship so core to your heart, so close to your heart, that you try to please everyone. You try to get into the skin of everyone, on everyone who's connected to that person who is in with whom you are in relation with. You try your best that everyone around you should be happy with you. You try your best, but in the process you overburden yourself, and when a person comes in front of you, you sometimes snap out or you crack out. You just lash out in the person to the person in front of you, just because you have been carrying so much inside you. You think that expectations from you are high, and because of that you try to do everything in your power. Nothing should go wrong. This should be done in a proper way, this should be done in a proper way. And because of such things, in despite of you trying to be good in front of everyone, you suddenly turn out bad. You really need to understand this. You really need to take the stress off your back. Do not take everybody's responsibilities upon yourself. Do not wear it. It is wearing you down. You need to understand, you are an individual, you have certain responsibilities, you are not answerable for other people. Stop worrying about other people so much. You need to move on. And the way for doing this is to be a really little more authoritative, little more compartmentalized. You have to make compartments. You have to set boundaries. All right, this is for this person, this is for this person, this is for this person. What happens, it gets all mixed up. And when the time comes to give it back to the person, give it back to the people, you are so much mixed up that sometimes under pressure you just break. Please don't do that. Please move up from it. Stop taking responsibilities so much. Nobody is asking you to do. Be free, be worry free. Think about your own. Whatever task you have been given, just do that much. If you try to over please others, if you try to go overboard, then of course you cannot take that much stress, and you tend to break in front of everyone, and you just lash out everyone in front of you. So, my Aquarians, it's time to understand, and these things, you feel very very when you are in a relation, when you are connected to someone, you can somehow feel the sadness, you can somehow feel the happiness, but you really need to cut yourself from that relations with the emotions involved. You really need to understand what is the thing that you could offer them, instead of flowing away with them. If a person is feeling sad, it's of course you will feel sad, but you cannot flow away with them. You have to take a stand to be a strong rock and move forward. Just that much, that's it. If you meet next person with whom you have a certain relation, if he or she is feeling certain emotion, you have to respond accordingly, and not with respect to the previous person. Please move make compartments of emotions. You need to understand this. You need to segregate this thing. You need to really organize yourself little more. This is what happens, is then you tend to get confused and things go out of your hand. The result outcome is definitely in your favor, is good for you, because you have a pure heart, you are innocent at heart, you try to think good for others, you always try that good should happen to others who are in front of you, you always wish best wishes for those who are in relation with you. But just because of certain drawbacks of your thought process, of your overthinking, of your overstressed routine, you tend to mix up everything, and whatever you didn't want to do also, you happen to do it. So please sit down, relax, calm yourself, and understand everything and analyze everything, and then react. All right, my Aquarians, here's wishing you lots of love, lots of best wishes. Sit down, relax, have a peaceful time ahead. Take some time out, take a break, go out, enjoy life. And then again, come out, organize everything, and again start new fresh. All right, thank you so much. God bless.